Welcome to How to Win. To download Roblox on your Nintendo Switch, start by turning on your console and going to the Nintendo eShop from the home screen. In the eShop, search for Roblox in the search bar. Once you find it, click on the game's icon and press the download button. Since Roblox is free to play, there is no charge for the download. Wait for the game to finish downloading, which may take a few minutes depending on your internet connection. Once the download is complete, the Roblox icon will appear on your home screen. Click it to launch the game and log in with your existing account or create a new one. Now you are ready to explore Roblox and enjoy endless games on your Nintendo Switch. For more gaming guides and tutorials, do like to this video and subscribe to our channel.